What's up guys, this is my new kitten here. So I'm not too sure if I'll be able to post this, but look. She's so adorable. Look at you. He's gonna beat off daddy. She's gonna beat off daddy. She's a stray, but she's actually alright with us. She knows how to fight. Look like daddy. Just knock him out clean, won't you, baby, eh? You're gonna knock him out clean, aren't you? Look there, darling, look there. Say what's up to the camera. You know what's the vibe, boy. You know what's the vibe. Good boy. I mean, good girl. Say what's up to the camera. She's a bit scared, by guys. Because she only lived with a woman. She didn't live with a man. And I'm pretty much like a man, so. Okay, look, lay down. Come on, say what's up. Look at you, you look good. She's looking at you, guys. She's looking at you. Look at her. She's looking at you, guys. She loves you. You were trying, weren't you? You were trying back at the house. Come on, just stay. Sit down. Sit down, baby. Can I hold you without you relaxing? You have to relax. How come you used to mind when you're like that? Look at him. Look at her, look. She's not even tame anymore. She's running everywhere. But if it was a boy, it might be different, wouldn't it, huh? Yeah, you know. Yeah, you know. Look at you. Look. She's very cute. She is very cute. She's lazy. You're lazy, aren't you? You're a lazy one, you are. You're a lazy one. Let's see if you can run away, eh? You can't run. Nowhere. Nowhere you can run. There's nowhere. You can't run. You're blocked off, mate. Look at her, guys. She's a cutie. No, you don't. You're staying right here, sweetheart. You can't even, bro, if you made that jump, you are a smart cat. You couldn't make that jump. But you know what, guys? In 2 seconds, I'm going to see if she can make it. I won't be able to show you. Oh, she's nearly up, boys. Just relax now. Relax. Just relax, sweetheart, alright? She's starting to get a bit tamer now, is she? Good girl, look at you. See, it's okay, chocolate. It's okay, chocolate. Look at her, guys, look. She's a tame cat, isn't she? Now she'll start moving again, I guarantee you. That's what I mean, guys. She tricks you. She tries tricking you, but she's not old enough yet. Or she's gonna start scratching in a minute. You like say hello, scrubbers. Say hello to subscribers. Look at you, darling. Look at her, guys. She's pretty tame at the moment. She's pretty tame, but yeah, that's it, guys. Peace.